Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2006 Volkswagen Jetta. During one of our recent snow events, one of our customers had been driving their vehicle maybe a little faster than they wanted to, lost control and slid the vehicle into a curb. When you do that, that can cause some extensive damage. As you can see here from the photos, not only was the front inner tie rod bent, the wheel was damaged beyond repair. It actually snapped the passenger side rear tire completely off the vehicle. Broke the hub assembly. The entire center of the rear rotor is missing. Sliding around on snow and ice does happen from time to time, unfortunately. But if you do find yourself in a position where that's happened to you, even if you feel like it was just a minor bump, it's always something that we recommend that you have the vehicle inspected and at a minimum maybe have the alignment checked to make sure you don't cause some unnecessary tire wear down the road. So if you are in that situation where you've hit the curb, not sure if you did any damage, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free inspections. My name's Dan, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.